సెప్టెంబర్ 3, 4, 2024 హైదరాబాద్‌లో సమున్నతి వారి ఆధ్వర్యంలో FPO కాంక్లేవ్ జరిగింది. ఇందులో దేశం నలుమూలల నుంచి రైతుల సంఘాల వారందరూ వచ్చారు. రకరకాల విషయాల మీద ఇక్కడ ఎగ్జిబిషన్ జరిగింది. ఇందులో టెక్నాలజీ విషయం కానివ్వండి, కొత్త ఆవిష్కరణలు కానివ్వండి, లేకపోతే కొత్త ప్రోడక్ట్స్ గురించి కానివ్వండి, రైతు సంఘాలకు కావాల్సిన ఆర్థిక సహకారానికి సంబంధించిన విషయాలు, నాలెడ్జ్‌కి సంబంధించిన విషయాలు, రకరకాలవన్నీ ఇక్కడ ఎగ్జిబిషన్‌లో మనకి చూడడానికి దొరికాయి. ఇంత ఇన్నోవేషన్ జరుగుతున్న ఈ ఏరియాలో కొన్ని అనుభవాల్ని మీ ముందర ఉంచుతున్నాము. FPOలకి ఈ కాంక్లేవ్‌లో వచ్చిన అనేకమైన కొత్త విషయాలు FPOల ప్రగతికి చాలా ఉపయోగపడతాయని ఆశిస్తున్నాం. మానవ లోకానికి స్వాగతం. మా నవలోకానికి స్వాగతం. మా లోకానికి స్వాగతం. Climate is very unpredictable and it is also changing very fast. We are all facing the consequences of climate change. But how does farming happens when everything is so dynamic and everything is changing and we just can't predict what is happening? Luckily, we have some solutions. I am just standing here with all this modern equipment. Farmers are able to now predict what is going to happen in near future. Either it is about rainfall or temperature, wind direction, and now based on this information, farmers can take a call on their agricultural operations. Let us now meet this team. Can you introduce yourself?
Yeah, hello everyone. This is Sudhir from Navariti Innovation, and here we are presenting a Heliot variant of products, which are basically used in better farmer practices.
Sudhir, you have a range of products, and where is your company working from?
So we are working from Hyderabad. We are located at Balanagar in Hyderabad.
Since when are you working?
We are in this product range. We are since 2020, sir.
20.
Yeah.
So it's already 4 years.
Yes, sir.
So what kind of products do you have for farmers?
So after a last rigorous 2 years of hard research and development, we have come up with the product line regarding the soil monitoring. This is called soil scope,
Okay.
which gives the parameters of like soil moisture, EC, pH, temperature, and indicative NPK.
Okay.
By this way, the farmer can know his soil condition and do the best agricultural practices related to irrigation and fertigation.
They can schedule irrigation
And fertigation.
Available moisture. What is the depth of this system? To what extent it will
The depth of the sensor can be placed near to the root level. For example, if we take a mirchi crop, there the root level will be between 1 feet to 2 feet.
Okay.
In middle of that, we can place this sensor, sir. On an average, we can go around 1 feet minimum, maximum of 2 to 2.5 feet.
Okay. And how does this system work? Where is the power, or how does it measure? You have some sensors in it?
Yes, sir. The sensor is over here, sir. It will be, this model will be sensing 7 parameters, as I mentioned earlier.
Yes.
And the power is, it is independent of raw AC electricity. It is totally powered with the help of solar energy, sir.
Okay.
And it has a battery which gives you the approximately 30 days without solar energy.
Oh, I see. Even if it is a cloudy system?
Cloudy system or
30
whatever
days
the
it
environment condition is, just you plug and play. That's it, sir. No need of any skilled labor to assist the farmer or anything else.
How the farmer how will he get the information from this?
Yes, sir. That can be seen with the dashboard what we
Oh, I
provide,
see. Okay.
and the mobile application what we provide. There, the farmer can view the data anywhere from the world,
Okay.
because it is totally a cloud-based infra what we are providing at a very marginal prices.
Okay. So based on this, farmers will know when to give water for irrigation,
And
or
when
what
to
kind
give
of fertilizers are required
Yes,
for
sir.
that particular crop.
Exactly, sir. That is the thing, sir.
So this optimizes all inputs.
Optimizes all inputs, sir. And the beauty of our product is customization.
Okay.
If you require some other parameters, we can incorporate that at your request.
Oh, I see.
And one more thing is, you get the historical data, which is better for your analysis. Like in previously, what the crop you have grown, what the parameters have been observed. With this, in the next year, you can reduce those mistakes.
What can be changed or what can
What
be
can be
continued?
changed, and you can go to an agronomist, and he can give you a better insight with this value, so that you can improvise your fertility of your land without using much fertilizers and all these things.
Excessive use.
Yes, sir.
And what is the price of this product?
Sir, this is like on scale, it is somewhere around 25K, sir. If we go for an individual, it is a bit more expensive, like 30 to 35,000.
Okay, very nice. So we can explain about other things. Maybe we can come here and explain. Yeah.
Yes, sir. Now we have the second product range is Polyhouse Environment Control System, sir. This system does like it senses the environment of the closed farming structure, like temperature, humidity, and
Like a
water.
greenhouse.
Yeah, it is like greenhouse, polyhouse, whichever the even now hydroponic systems which are they are growing in urban
Yeah.
urban structures, then it is an enclosure, sir. There we can use this system, sir. Even it is like saffron growing also, the people are using the system.
So basically it regulates indoor
The
environment.
environment, yes, sir. And it regulates and it keeps under the thresholds.
Okay.
By that way, the environment is maintained. And
What does it control and what are the...
sir, mainly the basic things are temperature and humidity.
Okay.
Later on, it depends upon the client what he wants the other parameters.
Yeah.
So, with the help of temperature and with the help of humidity, the corresponding cooling pads, fogger systems, and exhaust fans, whatever there, those will be controlled depending on the temperature thresholds,
Yeah.
min and max,
We can program
humidity thresholds, min and max, which can be remotely given with the dashboard, what we have given.
So it basically regulates all the other equipment, other facilities in a poly house,
Yes.
and maintains that.
Exactly.
And you can do it remotely.
We can do it remotely.
And it also works on solar energy, or you can connect it like that. Or?
Yes, sir, that's a good question, sir. Here, the equipments like cooling pad, foggers, these are raw power hungers.
Yeah.
So, as there is a raw power,
Yeah.
then we can directly connect it to that voltage
system,
levels, and we have a battery backup in it. Even though there is a power cut, it gives you the information till 3 days. What is the status of the environment?
So, very nice. So how much does this cost?
So this costs around 30 to 45,000, sir.
Okay.
In between the variant of sensors what you are opting for, and on scale we can even more reduce it, sir.
Oh. And then you have this one. What is this?
So this is the major part we can say, because these are this is called smart irrigation controller.
Okay.
So which is majorly used by smallholder farmers and marginal farmers. First thing I will mention this price itself.
Yeah.
It is around 6,500.
Okay.
Which can be affordable as per our analysis by any farmer.
Farmers can buy it. Yeah.
So the major point behind innovating this is to protect the farmers from unforeseen incidents like snake bites, electric shocks,
Yeah.
and all this, because the power is major issue, sir. When will be there the power in irrigation farming lands? It is not predictable.
Correct.
So our system will be giving the data of power things, so that wherever the motors are installed or whatever, it is in near to the canals, or somewhere remote bore wells, anything it might be, sir. He can operate wherever he is.
It can be controlled remotely.
Controlled remotely, scheduled remotely. Anything can be observed via the dashboard, and he can take the action, sir.
Okay.
And one more thing is, like, when he does that one, if there is a immediate power cut after turning on, the device will take care of the motor and all the systems,
So it works for bore wells as well as
submersible pumps, as well as the canal irrigation.
Oh.
So that is the thing, sir. Majorly it helps to the small and marginal farmers at an affordable price.
And then what is this?
Yes, sir. This is autonomous weather station, sir.
Automatic.
Automatic weather station, sir.
Okay.
Here it gives the parameters like wind velocity, wind direction, temperature, humidity, and the rain gauge.
Rainfall also.
Rainfall, everything else, sir. And here also we can add on as per the client requirement, like solar radiation or whatever the other
Or
environmental
evapotranspiration.
evapotranspiration, all these things.
You can
sir.
add all this.
All these things, sir. And again, it is powered with solar.
Okay.
Without the sun energy, it can work around 1 week of data it will be producing. It has a battery backup in it, and every data is given
You
over
get
the
to onto
dashboard.
dashboard.
And the other major thing I want to point out here is it gives predictions.
Okay.
We are in collaboration with IMD and other scientific organizations and giving the benefits of it to the farmers on free of cost. Sir.
Okay.
We are not
And this
charging.
prediction is for that particular site.
Yeah, wherever the device is installed,
Huh.
with that latitude and longitude, they get the precise data. Sir.
Okay.
That is the main motto, because there are many other applications or sort of things, but that deviates the motto.
Yeah.
This is where like device is there, so it is fixed with some certain latitude, longitude, and they get the precise information for agriculture farming.
And how much that does this cost?
Sir, it costs around 55 to 65. On scale, it might be reduced.
Okay.
So, the clients for this are FPOs, FPCs, and NGOs, sir.
Okay.
What they are doing is like taking this device and installing it to village level. By that way, they are providing the information to group of farmers
Yeah.
who are associated with them, sir.
With
And
agriculture.
they are getting a better yields. Let me give few examples. With the help of the wind direction speed, they were able to tell them if there is a heavy wind. Predictions like don't spray the pesticides today.
Right.
So that is helping the farmer in saving the costs and the crop. And if there is a rain prediction, and they are providing the information to the farmer like don't put your paddy or whatever the things for
Accordingly, they
drying,
change their practices.
so that they are
Their operations.
saving that loss,
Right.
which is benefiting the
Yeah.
farmer directly.
Yeah.
This is the way the people are practicing with our devices.
Yeah. So, with Navariti innovations, farmers have more predictable climate in their hands now. They have very good access to a lot of information. Based on that, they can take decisions on variety of agricultural operations, particularly on scheduling irrigation, or temperatures in a poly house, or switching it on or off a particular pumping systems and things like that.
Thanks for the opportunity to express our product details to more kind of people who are interested in such technologies. It will be a great help to us. Thank you, sir.
I hope all FPOs, NGOs, and several Gram Panchayats, all of them will establish such systems, and then they understand the climate and the behavior of the rainfall, temperature, and things like that, and make the agriculture more systematic and climate linked practice.